Good morning everyone. This is Ashish Mishra back to your online class, and in this online class we will study history for standard 6. And in history my first chapter is the Mesopotamian civilization. So before understanding Mesopotamian civilization, let's discuss about some of the basic points. History. History is the study of past event. Archaeology is the study of remains material. Archaeologists who studies through excavation or remains. And about civilization, it is said that civilization is a word that derived from a Latin word that is civitas. Civitas means city. And in the book, it is said that civilization means the way of living life in a well-system or in a well-developed manner is called civilization. So, Mesopotamia. About Mesopotamia, it is believed that the land between the two rivers is called Mesopotamia, and the civilization that grew on that land between the two rivers is called Mesopotamia civilization. Those two rivers are Tigris and Euphrates, and that land helped in irrigation, helped in growing crops, and helped in transport. As the land was connected with the two rivers, so it was very easy for this civilization to transport from one country to another country. So, this civilization was also called Bronze Age civilization. इसे Bronze Age civilization भी कहा जाता है. Important kingdoms were सुमेर, अक्कर, बेबीलोनिया, असीरिया. सुमेर और अक्कर इन दोनों ने एक साथ साझेदारी कर इस सिविलाइजेशन को ग्रो करने में हेल्प किया. मीन्स सुमेर कॉन्टैक्टेड किंग सर्जन हु वॉज द रूलर ऑफ दिस अक्कर डायनेस्टी और अक्कर किंगडम. और द क्लास, सोशल क्लास की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो अपर क्लास, मिडिल क्लास, लोअर क्लास. अपर क्लास में सबसे हाईएस्ट पोजीशन जो होता था वो किंग, राजा का होता था. एंड देयर आफ्टर कम्स प्रीस्ट, एंड इन द मिडिल क्लास कम्स फार्मर्स, ट्रेडर्स, एंड इन लोअर क्लास वॉज सेट फॉर स्लेव्स. And if we talk about religious beliefs, so they used to worship God and goddess. So many God and goddess were worshipped during that civilization, and the natural forces were also worshipped like sun, moon, rain, and stars. And they had a great belief in life after death. So many during excavations, so many sources are found that are helping in understanding that they had a great belief in life after death. And their basic or main occupations were agriculture, domestication of animals. Means they believed in domestication of animals, they used animals for rearing, and they also had some dairy products with the help of animals they used to domesticate. And in agriculture, farmers basically grew wheat, dates, corn, vegetables, and barley. And in art and architecture, if we talk about art and architecture, they were very good in art and architecture. They used to build temples, and the top of the temple was considered as ziggurat that had no ladders. Means बिना किसी सीढ़ी के जो मंदिर का जो टॉप यानी सबसे ऊपर वाला जो सिरा होता है ना, सबसे ऊपर वाला, सबसे अपर लेवल जो होता है, the uppermost level was considered as ziggurat. And the marbles and the temples were decorated with marbles, tiles, and some precious stones. और बहुत सारा एग्जाम्पल्स हमें देखने को मिलता है, बहुत सारा ऐसा रिसोर्सेज भी हमें देखने को मिलता है जिससे ये पता चलता है कि दे वर वेरी गुड इन आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर. एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग कि मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन वॉज मे बी द फर्स्ट सिविलाइजेशन who brought the art of writing that was known as cuneiform. So, and the hanging gardens of Babylon was the wonder of the ancient world. It was the wonder of the ancient world that was built by Nebuchadnezzar II for his wife. And if we talk about family, father was considered as the head of the family. Women were not treated equally to men, but still they were holding good position in their family. Trade and commerce during Mesopotamian civilization. So it is believed that Mesopotamians were involved in both domestic and foreign trade. मीन्स कि वो अपना व्यापार घरेलू क्षेत्र में तो करते ही थे, अपने उस सिविलाइजेशन, उस मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन के राज्यों में तो करते ही थे, साथ साथ उनका कनेक्शन फॉरेन ट्रेडर्स से भी पाया गया है एक्सकेवेशन के दौरान. So during excavations, some of the seals of Mesopotamia are found in Harappan civilization, and some of the seals of Harappan civilizations were found in Mesopotamia. So it gives a clear example that Mesopotamia was enjoying the great trade linked with Harappans. यानी हड़प्पन के साथ मेसोपोटामिया का एक बहुत ही गहरा संबंध रहा है ट्रेड को लेकर. इसका एग्जाम्पल हमें देखने को मिल सकता है जो खुदाई, जो एक्सकेवेशंस में जो सील्स मेसोपोटामियंस के हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन यानी इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में पाए गए हैं, और जो हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन के सील्स मेसोपोटामिया में पाया गया है, यह एक साफ उदाहरण देता है. It gives a clear example for the trade link of Mesopotamia and Indus Valley. Now, about knowledge. About knowledge, it is believed that they have given the world's first poem. यानी विश्व का सबसे पहला पोयम उन्होंने ही दिया, जिसका नाम था The Epic of Gilgamesh. The Epic of Gilgamesh. And they were experts in maths, they were first to develop algebra, geometry, they were very good, and they were expert in astrology also. उन्हें तारों का भी बहुत अच्छा ज्ञान था, and with the help of the study of the stars, they gave us the 7 days of the week and 12 months of the year. And now इतना अच्छा सिविलाइजेशन एक समय में डिक्लाइन कर जाता है, पूरी तरह डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है. सो हिस्टोरियंस आर गिविंग सम रीजंस. इन दोज रीजंस आई वांट टू डिस्कस 2 रीजंस विद यू क्लास. frequent wars that might have destroyed their economy. Historians ऐसा कहते हैं, historians believed that कि जो frequent wars जो होते रहे हैं, हो सकता है कि उस civilization में जितने भी economy, जो उनकी आर्थिक situation थी, आर्थिक स्थिति थी, economical situation जो था, इकोनॉमिकल स्टेटस जो था, वो धीरे धीरे बर्बाद होता रहा होगा, डिस्ट्रॉय होता रहा होगा, जो इस सिविलाइजेशन के पतन का कारण बना, इस सभ्यता के पतन का कारण बना और इस सिविलाइजेशन को डिक्लाइन करने में हेल्प किया. दूसरा रीज़न ये भी हो सकता है कि उन्हें इरिगेशन का बहुत अच्छा आइडिया नहीं रहा होगा, जिस कारण से उनका इरिगेशन इम्प्रॉपर वे में चला होगा, जिसने मिट्टी की फर्टिलिटी को, द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल माइट हैव इरोडेड. सो एक सिविलाइजेशन, मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन, जो लगभग 4000 BCE मतलब बिफोर कॉमन एरा, यानी आज से ठीक लगभग 6000 वर्ष पूर्व, बिफोर 6000 ईयर्स, जो एक अच्छा सिविलाइजेशन डेवलप हुआ था और आगे जाकर 600 BCE में इस सिविलाइजेशन का कहानी लगभग समाप्त हो गया. So this well-developed civilization was destroyed. And after this civilization, we will come to know about Egyptian civilization. So this was a very great civilization we have studied about, and after that our next topic will be the Egyptian civilization. And Still, my same humble request to everyone in this COVID-19, stay home, stay safe, and pray for everyone that they should remain good, happy in their life. Thank you, everyone.